Hello everybody, how's it going? This is going to be a demonstration of what happens if somebody tampers or cuts your alarm system phone line. What I have is I have an example here. I already wired this wire up to it, so it's just a random wire with it just tied together. I spliced it together just to close the zone. We're going to demonstrate what happens when we cut these two wires connected to a real phone box in a real situation if this ever happens. So that's how it would work. But anyway, I'm going to arm this now. We're going to show you guys how this particular zone actually works for a phone line. So without further ado, here we go. I'm going to arm this now. I'm going to be silent for this one until the end and let you just watch me cut the wire. I'm going to get my round cutters over there and get everything ready. So without further ado, here we go. Let's arm this one. Pound 7. Get my round cutters. And that's what happens when you tamper with somebody's alarm phone line in a real situation. So, you can see alarm zone 3 phone tamper. So, to completely shut it off, we're going to enter our 4 digits again. And now it's saying zone 3 is open because I have to restrip the wire and splice it again. So without further ado, I'm going to go do that right now. So anyway, I hope you liked this little demonstration of tampering with an alarm phone line for call out on an alarm system and what can happen if it's wired to a zone and somebody tampers with somebody's phone line with the diagonal car. So anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and till the next video, see you then. Take care. Bye.